Hey everyone, I'm Mecca here for my self-publishing blueprint, and today I just want to highlight another one of our student successes from the course. And this individual, Marco, he just hit his first $1,000 month. So excited! He started just a little while ago with us, but kind of show you kind of the breakdown. And what's neat is he's actually using some AMS, so Amazon Marketing Services, in there as well to help drive sales and traffic to his book. But just so excited to see him do that. So he has his ebook published, his paperback published, and looks like he's making some money off audiobook sales as well. And the key thing with that is, you check it out, he says complete royalty. So he's not doing the 50-50 royalty share. So much better if you can just pay the $60 to $100, whatever you're going to pay for your audiobook to get produced, collect all the royalties, so you're not on that 7-year split in the audio royalties. So excited to see him moving forward and making things happen. But great job, man. And hey, if you want to find out what's the best and fastest way to hit your first $1,000 with Kindle published, make sure you check out myselfpublishingblueprint.com. First link inside the description. And if you're brand new and you're just trying to figure out what is this Kindle publishing thing, then start by picking up my free 5-step blueprint. Link in the description for that as well. Till next time, everyone. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.